Okay, we're back. We had to switch phones because her phone ran out of battery. So, carry on.
Okay. In a corner. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Oh, what are you gonna do? Eyeshadow?
Which one?
Pick the right one.
I need a shimmy. Okay, ready? I don't know. I have a feeling it's this one. You're not laughing, so I'm sure. Oh, Jesus! I chopped it.
It's chalk. That's okay.
God.
Wait, let's show her.
I jabbed my finger.
It's okay. Whoa.
Dang. Okay, whatever.
It was like 50 cents. It's cheap makeup, guys. But it works really good.
And we're gonna use the Shame Shimmer eyeshadow as our highlight because, you know, it's just how I roll.
My eyebrow.
No, he's okay. No. Oh, I forgot we had a brush for it. This is the brush. This is the brush. Is this your mouth?
You showed him my nose.
No. I don't know. Okay, hold on. There you go. Okay. Under your eyebrows. Okay. Next, I'm going to do your highlighter.
Where did it go? Sad life. Where did it go? You know what? Let's just use this eyebrow one. Yeah. Here we go. You're
I
on
don't
the
know how
side.
to use this. Okay.
It looks like eyeliner at the end. See, guys? Eyebrows can be used for eyeliner. Oh, you can also do my brows with that too. See?
Okay. I'll do your brows then.
You're going on.
Just like color in the line, you know? I was never good at coloring. Okay, but you know.
I used to be. Like, I remember as a kid, my dad would like get coloring books and we would color like a page and he would give us treats at the end. I remember when I was like 3, I would color so nicely and my sister would color it sloppy. But then then after a year, I just didn't care, so I colored sloppy and my sister would color nicely. Get that cat wing.
If I jab you in the eye, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta brush out your. Okay.
I think now it's lips. And blush. You didn't do blush yet. That's highlights. Here's blush.
Oh!
She was like circling the lid.
You could have told me! Okay. Okay, now I'm like somebody farting. Is it your nose? Yep. Okay.
Here's lips. my nose.
You know what I forgot?
But
Concealer.
it's okay. I always forget concealer.
I'm playing my nose.
Okay.
I don't know where the wand is. Oh my god.
It's beautiful. Better than mine.
Okay. Faces on your lips.
Yep, I guess that's it.
Oh yeah!
Okay, we're gonna.
Oh my god.
See, you don't think I got beat up by me? Honestly, I think you kind of did like a better job because I can actually see it better. You look like you got beat up at a sauna. Because of that.
The highlight is popping.
Yeah. Oh, it's yours. Yeah, you can see. I didn't put a lot. But yeah, guys, this is it.
I just looking at your eyebrows like, what?
Here's a close up of mine.
Hi. I'm a disappointment.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this blindfold makeup challenge.
Yeah. Enjoy, like, and subscribe.
Leave a comment below who did better. Obviously, I feel like I feel like she kind of did an 8.
Okay.
Okay.
Toodaloos.